Infiniti has announced that the newest QX80, which is the luxurious counterpart to the Petrol, will now come equipped with a brand new 3.5L twin-turbo petrol V6 engine, replacing the current 5.6L naturally aspirated V8. The power output of the new model is 335 car, a significant increase of 37 car compared to the current petrol V8. Additionally, the torque has also been boosted by 138 Nm, now reaching 698 N. In comparison to the Land Cruiser 300 twin-turbo diesel, it boasts an additional 108 kW of power, although it falls slightly short by 2 nanometers. On the other hand, the Lexus LX600 twin-turbo petrol V6 offers 30 kW less and 50 hours less torque. An upgraded 9-speed torque converter automatic will be installed, replacing the current S-speed unit. The wider gear ratio of the new transmission will enhance acceleration and fuel efficiency, resulting in more responsive performance. The codename VR35 DDT indicates that the 3.5L twin-turbo engine is an upgraded version of the 3.0L twin-turbo VR30 DDT engine found in the Nissan Z sports car. The Infiniti now offers new features such as air suspension with adaptive dampers, resulting in a much quieter cabin due to increased torsional rigidity. Teased by the Infiniti QX Monograph concept unveiled in mid-2023, the upcoming Infiniti QX80 will provide us with a detailed glimpse of the anticipated Y63 Nissan Petrol, set to arrive in Australia by 2026. Both vehicles will have some similarities in their design. However, the spy shots indicate that the Petrol will feature traditional door handles and larger headlights, while the QX80 will have hidden handles and slimmer headlights. A production-ready Petrol prototype shown to dealers had a striking resemblance to the Range Rover, featuring a more robust aesthetic with updated headlights and taillights. The interior has also been completely revamped, boasting a modernized design. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is set to make its debut on March 21st Australian time, just before the New York Auto Show. The 2025 Nissan Petrol will also be unveiled in the coming months.